guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kenzie Kens. For those of you who don't know me, welcome to the channel. I hope you subscribe and join the fam. And for those of you who are longtime subscribers, you know what it is. Love you guys and glad to have you back. So for today's video, I'm so hype. I'm working with TGIN to bring you guys today's video. Thank you to TGIN for sending me their amazing products. You guys know, if you're not new here, I've been rocking with their deep conditioner, the Honey Miracle Hair Mask, for so long, for years now. It has been my holy grail. Nothing melts my hair like that mask. I'm telling you guys. But for today, I'm bringing you information on the rest of the line because it really is a super quality brand, super quality products with natural and organic ingredients. So thank you again to TGIN for sponsoring this video. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved these bomb twist out results and how you can get some extra protective styling in with your twists, keep watching. Okay guys, so welcome to my crusty bun. I'm taking this hair down. This is about a week or a week and a half old wash and go, matted and tangled, as you can see, just a trifling mess. I wanted to keep it all the way real with you guys so that you can see how amazing these products actually are. I went ahead and washed my hair first with the TGIN Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo. This shampoo is really gentle. It's made with coconut oil and it cleanses the hair without leaving it really dry and stripped feeling, so I really like that a lot. When shampooing, I do focus on the roots of my hair, but I also do like to take it down the lengths because I feel like that's what gets my hair clean. Alrighty, moving right along, I conditioned with the Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner, a creamy moisturizing conditioner that revitalizes dry hair, which mine was. Y'all saw them opening clips, creating soft and shiny coils and curls. So as you can see, I had no problem detangling with this conditioner, and the whole line has a very pleasant light smell. So it's not overly scented if you're somebody that doesn't like that. And now for a product that needs absolutely no introduction. Y'all know that it's bae. This is the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask, and it is just that, a miracle. Guys, I am not hyping you up, please. All of my friends, I try to put them onto this one. It is my holy grail and a staple for me. Just great slip, smells amazing, makes my hair feel so soft, so I will never stop recommending this mask. Okay, because today we are focusing on moisture, I'm going in with my Q-Redo for an extra boost to my deep conditioning treatment. The steam heat just basically opens up your hair cuticle and lets that product really penetrate and sink in. So I'm going to let that sit and then rinse it out. Okay, once that's rinsed out, I'm going in with my leave-in. The Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner is really lightweight but awesome for detangling and sealing in that moisture with some Jamaican black castor oil. Okay, and now for my styler, I'm going in with the Buttercream Daily Moisturizer, a daily moisturizer that revitalizes dry hair for soft, shiny, healthy coils and curls. Now TGIN also does have a twist and define cream. I want you guys to know you can use either one of these products to create your twist out or your braid out, but I just went for the Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. It was nice and thick, and as you'll see, I'm smoothing my twists down for sleek results. Alrighty, so once most of my twists are done, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair on the side. And for this top section of my hair, because it's the most problematic, I'm adding a gel. This is the Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel from TGIN, and it is just that, moisturizing. It glides across the hair really well, and that in combination with the Buttercream Moisturizer was really going to give me some control in these frizzy areas on my crown. So that's why I went in with the gel on the top layer of my hair. Okay, so here are my twists, all nice and juicy, freshly done, and instead of taking them out the next day, I decided to rock them as a style. So I'm including this little clip for you guys who want to use twists as a protective styling option. It's great to give your hair a break. I just tied this cute little scarf with this matching choker, and I was slaying with my twists and all. Couldn't tell me anything. So just know that if your hair takes long to dry like mine, you can definitely rock your twist as a style, and the TGIN products kept my twists in place. They didn't get frizzy and they remained intact until I was ready to take them down. Okay, now I'm just coating my hands with some oil and taking my twists down. You can can see they're nice and bouncy, and I'm just going to go ahead and separate and pick to my liking, and I'll be back with the final results. So that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my twist out featuring TGIN's products. If you're interested in getting your hands on these products, which I highly recommend, the TGIN Moist Collection is available in select Target, CVS, Walgreens, Sally Beauty, Whole Foods, Rite Aid stores nationwide. Also available on Amazon.com and TGIN's website, which is www.thankgoditsnatural.com. So that's about it for this video, guys. Please give me 2 big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that button. Click that bell notification while you're down there to be notified when I upload new videos. And until next time, guys, bye!